Hey guys, welcome back to another maintenance video. Today we are going to replace the oil and filter on this BMW E46 2-liter petrol. Let's get started. First you need to go under the car and find the drain plug. Get a drain pan ready and unscrew the drain plug. Let the oil to drain, and in the meantime you can go to replace the oil filter. To access the oil filter you need to remove the top cover. Unscrew the two bolts and pull the cover out. Now we are ready to remove the filter. At this point I'll start to do the oil filter housing gasket. You don't have to do this when you replace the oil filter. It is necessary to do it if you have an oil leak. If you are not interested to do this job, skip to minute 5. Even if it's not a requirement to change the gasket, it might be a good idea to replace it at around 50,000 miles. It's a very quick and easy job, just 3 bolts and it's out. Now we are ready for the new oil filter. Make sure you have the O-rings and crush washers applied with the filter. Get a screwdriver or a prying tool and take off the old O-rings. Now install the new O-rings and lube them with a bit of fresh oil so you can slide the new filter easy. Once you finish with the filter, go back under the car and put the drain plug back. Make sure you replace the crash washer too. Last step is to fill the engine with fresh oil and check for leaks. Check description for oil quantity. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.